Lives here. You want to try again, Aaron?
Yeah.
You want to give him a run? Adrian, get out of the way. Let Aaron try to run. It's not 7:56. Do you have to get your bus stop switched? Do they just let you switch? Or do you get your bus stop switched? Well, he can try it. If they don't let him, I can take him. So, if you want to, yeah. Dakota don't go down there, does he? Okay. Okay. Well, hold on, I'll make him share with you. Tell him I said he has to share. The door's locked. You can't even see to get it unlocked. Okay. Don't lock the door behind you. When we go very far, we will. That's like a ninja kick from hell. That's like a ninja kick from hell.